This is the AIPER Scuba X1, and this is my dirty pool. Can you guess what we're doing today? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are going to do a review of the AIPER Scuba X1 pool cleaner. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We are going to go ahead and drop this in the pool and see what it can do. But before I drop it in the pool, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. You can operate this with an app. Just remember, the app cannot work underwater, but you change all the settings in the app. So turn it on, and then, like I said, you can set it for the entire pool. So this is going to do the bottom of the pool, it's going to do your walls, and it's going to do the water line. You can set it to just do the bottom of the pool. You can set it to do just the walls or just the water line, and you can change all of this within the app as well. But remember, the app only works when this is out of the water. We are going to go ahead and drop this into the pool. Here we go. You can also get a hook. That's how we get it out of the pool, for anybody that's wondering. Well, we're going to go ahead and put that thing down in there and let it start doing its thing. And if you're wondering why I think this is the greatest pool cleaner, because I have these dogs that want in the pool so bad, that leave so much fur and hair in the pool, and they track everything that you can see in the bottom of the pool. The sand, the dirt, all of the mess that's down there in the bottom of the pool. The dogs tend to track a lot of that in. So what I really love about this is, you guys saw exactly what I did. Push the button, turn it on, drop it in the pool. This is going to run for about 180 minutes on a full charge, which for the size of our pool, it's going to clean pretty much the whole pool on that run time. We usually try to drop it in at least once a day. It keeps the bottom of the pool from getting all slimy and gross as well. Like, you'd be surprised how much this actually gets off of the bottom of your pool. I love how easy it is to use. It will clean the bottom of the pool. It'll climb walls, so it'll clean the walls of your pool, and then you can also have it clean the water line of your pool. So, you know, the water line, that there. You can just watch it go across the water line. Now, as I said, we have used AIPER pool cleaners pretty much since we got this pool, and they have been so helpful. It makes things so easy. It's like, set it and forget it. Drop it in. Do your thing, little machine. We should probably name this thing. He's gonna be our little pool buddy. When it's all done cleaning, you pull it out of your pool and you open it up and you take this little basket out. This is what's gonna catch everything. Dog hair, bugs, leaves. Look at how much it got out of our pool. Now, you guys saw the before of our pool. Our pool wasn't super dirty, but it was definitely dirty. This makes a huge difference in our pool. So if you are looking for a super easy way to keep your pool clean this summer, so much easier, so much less work than trying to vacuum the bottom of your pool, this thing just does everything for you. If you are looking for a way to keep your pool clean this summer so it's ready to use when you're ready to swim, we highly, highly recommend the AIPER Scuba X1 pool cleaner. This thing is awesome. We absolutely love it. We totally recommend this. And now the pool is ready to get dirty all over again. Now you just got all your sand in the pool. All them sandy paws in the pool.